Ban kham penjana shu kajing syakri shiki Paidbah ban te lakam ya kajing penjaklia ya ka saurong saukun jang ka meram au kajing penjaklia ya ki telong bat kiwa kajing penjaklia ya kal air Khubor bahalor jang ka Meghalaya State Pollution Control Board Mspcb nadu benai leber mentakas nem arjar arpusan kala penklan shu ikni ka board da ka bathung briu thammai haki kerdan beper ke bedon khat pra teli barok Kini ki kerdan balathung thamai ki kan Thep ya kawai ka post scientist B, ka post assistant environmental engineer saungun, ha ka post assistant law officer kawai, ha ka post junior accountant arngun, ha ka post lower division assistant laingun, ha ka post data entry operator arngun, technical assistant arngun, but typers grade 3 laingun.
So the exam was conducted by engaging the NEHU, who has prepared the question papers and all, and the written results they have given to us, and followed by we conducted the interview for the various levels, and results has been declared on the same day of interview. So all the levels has been declared results on the same day.
Kum kadak kajing Mspcb ye kini kajing thungkam ye kini ki khat prangut ha ki kerdan beper ha ka lai terik menta unaitung arjar arpusan ki bor penyat ke Mspcb ki lepen itu eki lingba kajing yalang ka belatip kum ka orientation program for the new recruits of 2025 batch of employees ha ka kamra shong jing yalang jong ka board ringkat kajing don lang do chairman jong ka Mspcb UR Naina Malai IFS Member Secretary Dr. G.H. Chermang, MFS, Senior Environmental Engineer W.R. Kharkrang, bat ki wede ki officer.
Haka por bang kren ni kini new recruit sanga ong ba daga strength la ni gajing don ka batang 100% ru daga jing trestam jangki officer ki staff jang ka board shibun ki kami la laman pendap halor ka jing duna mantara ka jing wan jang kar prangun ni khimi lenti ba ka kam ka bangla la jana ingin laman kam jana jishu darap kono ka kam ka bashim por sipa usung yela se daga jing don kini kan sim na stang sanski takata ka daga jing thubu ba ka jing khimi lenti jang hi kum ba board daga jing wan thamaj
Hadin kini kajing yalang layok bantuan jingmut neki Samla ki bidang syok rungkam Meghalaya State Pollution Control Board ka bahap hapok jong katanat forest and environment jong ka sorkar pedeng ki belapen pau beki dahun shisha ya kerukam penyat ya kerukam thungkam ha kini katanat bat ka longru ha ka lenti ka bakhoi basuba ka Khlem bo Jingartatien yanu bakan don ka jingle Shillong ne ka jinge sha liang
Masbab mereka kandidat ya ka recruitment proses hang ni ngasngo jengcham hidal de kalong fair ya kata ngalak point out ba kamtam haka interview ba ngalak jumat teng man kapot hang ni ka interview kalong be related with technical question ka bayade batka kam jong katuka post bangiyo te kata de nak kata kadaw ngasngo ba hang ni ka recruitment proses kalong fair and square.
I'm a new recruit here. I'm joining Meghalaya State Pollution Control Board as Assistant Law Officer. So today we are having an orientation program in the presence of the Chairman and the Member Secretary and all the new recruits and along with the other officials. And we are here and the senior officers of the board are just trying to explain to us about the functioning of the board and about the duties and the role that each new recruit and each official here has to play. Well, we also have a legal division here where we deal with lots of cases, including district court, high court, Supreme Court, and all cases under the NGT. So as an assistant law officer, I'll be assisting the legal division in dealing with such cases.
I was able to join this finance establishment in due process after I've cleared my written exams, and then afterwards followed by a practical test, and then afterward the interview also. So I believe that this type of recruitment is the only way that recruitment should go, because especially this recruitment that this post that which I applied for, it basically deals with the technical post, which my post is as a technical assistant. So The exam also was based on such a question that it asks us the questions which deals with only with the type of work which we will be assigned to. So yes, I believe that this recruitment has been conducting the examination in a fair and square manner, and also related to the field which I've been studying.
Yeah, kapaya day, but you the but the recruitment process is a long fair, eh? And but kat kum ka jing tip jana kalong ba kum set wiki jing keliru long kim le hinane ki pha ki banaba they would done any kind of politics behind it and the way baki frame ki jing keliru long no kalong namar ha kapus ba ni applying scientist be ka involve ki PhDs in different fields, so the way they have set the question ro kalong very fair kam no asiliang ino kan the kata way and kum ha kapus ba nga apply ro ni don't skip practical ro apart from knowledge ka hands on method ro ni long skill ni em lor kata the kata ro kadai ka one of the main part of recruitment and finally the personal interview bang bang len ya ka turu kam de ke interview ba ba shuli atang stan ne reunion net re ka de lengthy process of interview madangam baklanga imat kum yang ada it's more than 30 minutes ba probably interview nga so it means they take time in trying to find the right person for the job.
This recruitment process of this scale is the first time that has happened in this organization. I've said earlier when I addressed this August gathering that I belong to the first generation of employees of this board, and this batch that has joined now is the third generation of this organization. So we are still at a very, very young stage of our development. But then looking at the demand that is there, and especially the environmental issues that has been profounded in the last 2 decades, it was necessary. Yes, why it has not happened is because of certain fund constraints, certain issues that were there that we could not recruit at such a large scale. But then I would like to take this opportunity to thank Chairman and Member Secretary who has taken upon themselves to ensure that this recruitment has happened to start with. Number two, the numbers that have joined in now, and the transparency that is there. Because I was not involved in the recruitment process at all, but then the people who have got over here were people who have been working with me in different capacities during COVID, the biomedical waste management that I was working with, and then the exams I've been conducting on behalf of UPSC. These are the people I was surprised when they came and told me that look, I got a job. Then I mean I can vouch that whatever recruitment that has taken place, that be the written or the interview that has taken place, that has been fair. And in fact, this is something that we would like to say it's a star in our organization because the interview was held during the day, and by night the results were out. So you can very well understand. I need not stress on much or on the transparency of this particular recruitment.